In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive on your desktop, focusing on the complete guide for 2025. Whether you're looking to free up some space or simply don't need OneDrive anymore, this tutorial will walk you through each essential step to ensure OneDrive is no longer syncing your files on your computer. To start, let's open up the OneDrive settings. You can do this by locating the OneDrive cloud icon typically found in the taskbar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you've identified the icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu where you should look for the Help and Settings option. Click on this and then proceed to select Settings. This will bring up the main settings window for OneDrive, which is where we'll make the necessary changes. Next, what we need to do is unlink your OneDrive account from your computer. In the settings window, navigate to the Account tab. This area manages all the account-related settings for OneDrive. Here, you'll find an option labeled Unlink this PC if you're using Windows, or Unlink this Mac for Apple users. Click on the appropriate option for your operating system. By doing this, you're essentially instructing OneDrive to disconnect from your device. It's important to note that while OneDrive will stop syncing, all of your files will remain safely stored on your computer. This means you won't lose any data in the process. It simply stops the active connection that syncs your files to OneDrive's cloud storage. This guide is designed to keep the process straightforward and efficient, ensuring that you can quickly and easily remove OneDrive from your system without any hassle. Remember, OneDrive will remain installed, but won't actively sync any files unless you choose to reconnect the account in the future. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. After unlinking your account, you may want to check your files and folders to make sure everything is as it should be. It's always a good idea to back up crucial data before making significant changes to synced services, just to err on the side of caution. And with that, you've successfully unlinked and effectively removed OneDrive's presence from your desktop. Thanks for joining me on this tech tip journey. Stay tuned for more guides and tips that help you navigate the digital world with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, take care and keep those computers running smoothly.